Let's make a super cute gnome car diffuser. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we start with a toilet paper tube, and I cut out 1 inch segments. Is it 1 inch? Yes, 1 inch. 1 inch segments. And then I'm taking some cotton yarn and I'm wrapping it around this clipboard. I think I went around 43 times. And I'm just going to pull it off. Now, basically what we're looking for is about 50 pieces of this yarn and anywhere between 15 inches or so long. And we're going to just knot, I don't want to say it's a knot, it's like a slip knot kind of thing around the toilet paper tube. And we're going to go all the way around. Again, I think I did about 50 of them, but this is going to be different for depending on how thick your yarn is. If you don't use the same kind, it's going to be, you're going to use more or less or whatever. So anyways, about 50 pieces. They were about 18 inches long. There you go. Now we have some wooden rings, and I have some macrame, I think it's yarn. I got it at Dollar Tree, and I'm cutting them 11 inches long. We're going to fold it in half, take our little wood ring, and we're going to do the same slip knot thing that we did on the toilet paper tube. We're going to do it here. We're going to do all 7 of them. Then, once those are all on, I'm going to comb them out. And I start at the bottom, and I work my way up. We just want to get them all combed out so that they're not wrapped around themselves. And then we're going to trim it. We want to trim it in the shape of a beard because we're making a gnome, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I have a little wood bead, and I'm going to glue that little wood bead on, like in the center. Now here, I've made a couple mistakes with this, and it's great fun. I put the glue on the side before I remembered to put this cord on. So I'm putting a cord in the center, because that's going to be what we're going to hang our gnome from when we put it in the car or whatever. So then I'm going to see how I'm putting that cord inside our hat that we made earlier, and then we're going to slide that on to our ring. Now you're starting to see it, right? You're starting to see the little gnome as his little hat. So then I comb out all of those strings. Yeah, I know I made it too long, but that's okay. And I just double knotted it. And then I take the cord that we pulled through. I just put that down so that we can trim the ends to make it look like a pom-pom. But we don't want to cut our cord that's going to be to hang it. Okay, so I just trim it to make it look kind of like a pom-pom. I have my cord out. Here's where I messed up. I have this little wood heart, and I glue it on the front of the hat, not realizing nobody told me I put it on the wrong side. Whatever, it's fine. I shortened up that cord that I had to hang it just because obviously you don't want it that long. I'm putting mine in my car in one of the vents, so you want it a little bit shorter. So I just knot it, shorten it up, and then I'm just adding it to this little clip that I had gotten at Dollar Tree. They come in like packs of 5. They're awesome. And there we go. Look at how cute, but dang it, I put it on the wrong side. So here it is. See, it's backwards. That's the way it should have been, but look at how cute it is. So cute. And then when you put it in your car anywhere, because it's all cotton and wood, you could put peppermint oil, essential oils on it. You could put lavender, but peppermint is the one that we use because that actually helps reduce motion sickness, believe it or not. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.